Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we are going over the 160 question intersection of two linked lists in Python. We write a program to find the node at which the intersection of two singly linked lists begins. For example, the following two linked lists begin at node C1. So note that our output should be a list node instead of like a value of the node. And you can see here we should return nodes with the value 8, and here we should return 2. And if there is no intersection between two lists, we just return null. So in Python's case, we just return null, N-O-N-E, which is the equivalent of null in Python. So and you can see that it says that your code should preferably run in O of n time and only O of 1 memory. So in order to have only O of 1 memory, we cannot create other things out of the linked list. We can only use the linked list itself. So we will use like two pointers. So basically for this question, we can initialize our pointer 1 at here, at head A, and pointer 2 at head B, and then we just advance each pointer by one step at a time. So once one pointer reaches the end of the linked list, we assign the pointer 1 to the head B. And once pointer B is at the end of the linked list, we assign pointer B to head A. So this is just how the algorithm works. It's not intuitive, and you probably cannot think out a solution like this by yourself. But this is how it is. You can prove by induction or whatever, but if you do that, so once pointer 1 is at the end of the linked list, assigned to head B, and once pointer 2 at the end of the linked list, assigned to head A, once you do that, at some point they will be at the same level. They will be at the same level, and eventually they will go to the same the intersection at the same time. If you still is a little bit confused about the algorithm, how it works, definitely check out more tutorials about that. But I am going just to code it up using the algorithm I just mentioned. Okay, so let's initialize our pointer 1 at head A and pointer 2 at head B. So while they are not the same, pointer will do something. If they are the same, become the same pointer, we know that they are at the same